Hello, this is Linda from the DuchessKitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make this very quick meatball rolls that you can make with just 2 ingredients. And the ingredients are meatballs and crescent rolls. Any type of meatball will do. And egg for egg wash, which is optional. So I'm going to use about 20 meatballs and 2 of these crescent rolls. Each one will make 10 strips of dough to wrap around the meatball. So first of all, I'm going to cover my board with flour so that the dough doesn't stick. Then I'm going to spread and roll the dough onto my board. You can do this in 2 methods. The first method, I'm going to cut this dough into 2 equal parts and join the seams on each side. Then I'm going to cut each half sheet into 5 strips and each strip into 2, but I wouldn't cut it all the way so that I can form a long strip out of the strips. Then I'm going to wrap each one onto one meatball as I'm doing in the video. And you repeat this process until all the meatballs and dough is used. For the second option, when you unroll the sheet onto your board or the dough, you join all the seams without cutting it into 2 sheets. Then you just cut them into 10 equal strips, and I'm going to wrap them around the meatball just like I did with the first one. I'm going to repeat this process until all the meatballs are used. So as you can see right here, I'm now going to whisk. So I'm going to brush the whisked egg onto my rolls, and this portion is optional. If you don't want egg, you can use milk or you can just bake it as it is, but I like the shine and gloss it adds to the baked rolls. So I'm going to brush this onto my rolls and I'm going to bake them in a preheated oven, which is at 350, and bake until it is golden brown, and which will take about 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. Every oven is different. So I would say from 15 minutes you start checking on it to make sure your rolls do not burn. So here is our baked rolls, and look how beautiful it looks and delicious. You let it cool a little bit, then you transfer them into your serving dish, and this can go with any sauce, ketchup, pizza sauce, any sauce that you like to serve with. They are delicious, and I hope you guys will give it a try and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in my next video as well. Bye bye.